Okay, so today we're going to go over interpreting negative numbers, and we'll do 4 examples. This first one, it says geographers use negative numbers to represent points below sea level, and positive numbers represent points above sea level. It's asking how would geographers represent a point 6.5 meters below sea level. The word below here is our key word. That means it's going to be a negative number. So we would choose B. All right. So for the next one, if I can get to it. Let's see. Pause. All right. So for the next question, it says this morning Romain noticed the temperature was below zero when the temperature was negative 11.5 degrees. It's afternoon now and the temperature is 9 3/8 degrees. What does this mean? So if it's below zero when it's negative, then if it's positive, it has to be above zero. So that would be A. All right. And then on the next question, divers use positive points or positive numbers to represent the height of a diving board and negative numbers to represent the depth of a dive. So again, the height of the diving board is your positive numbers and how deep someone dives would be negative. So if they're trying to represent a diving board that is 10.5 meters high, in other words, that is the height of the diving board, it says that positive numbers are the height. So that would be A. All right, and the last question. This afternoon, Vivek noticed temperature was above zero when it was 17 5/8 degrees. It's evening now, and the temperature is negative 8.5 degrees. What does this mean? So again, if it says above zero is a positive number, below zero is going to be negative. So that would be B, below zero. All right, and that's pretty much how you're going to do that. Please let me know if you have any questions and have a great day.